YouTube? It's your girl Amaya T Shell back with another video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see how I turn my hair from this to this, make sure you keep watching. Let's get straight into the video. So we are starting off with a curly wig, 20 inches. It is transparent lace. I'm about to bleach it and pluck it. You can see how the knots look right here. They are dark and you can see how black they are, but once I'm done, it's not going to be like that. First, I'm going to use some Wonder lace spray. I'm going to spray that evenly, and then we're going to blow dry it. After that, I'm going to use this quick blue bleach, and then I'm going to use the 20 volume developer. I just keep adding small amounts of the developer until I get a consistency that looks something like this. You do not want it too runny to run through the lace, and you do not want it too thick either. So I just start applying a layer to the back of the lace first because the knots in the back are thicker. So I just start adding the developer and the bleach there first. I apply it to all over the hair, and then I just let it sit for about 25 to 30 minutes. And then I wash it out. I use the purple shampoo, and then I use the silicone mix to get the curls popping. And yeah, look at that, y'all. It's giving scalp already, period. And while we're here, y'all, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you could do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, I would most definitely appreciate it. But yeah, y'all, see how this hair turned out. This with the silicone mix in it. The curls are popping already. Once it's dry, it's going to still look the same. I also added some leave-in conditioner and water to it, so that got the curls looking even better. So off camera, I just plucked it on my own. If you want to see a full in-depth tutorial on how I pluck my wigs, go watch my other video. So first, I'm just laying a layer of ghost blonde glue on my head. I already did the middle. I do my hair in sections. I do the middle part first, and then I do the sides. So I do 3 layers of the ghost blonde glue, and then I place my band across my head and let it sit for 10 minutes. So as I let the band sit on my head, I just went on ahead and did my little style that I wanted to do. This is the process. I have not flat ironed it yet, and it's looking pretty, period. So here I just have my razor. I'm about to cut the excess lace off. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. When I get done with that, I use some more makeup to cover up the light parts around my edges. And then I'm just going to go ahead and spray a little bit more of Gots to Be spray on there to make sure that my lace is secure. I place the band around again, let that sit. And now I'm going to flat iron the top part to get my style the way I want it to actually look. so as y'all can see, that lace is giving already. So now I just made my baby hairs. I'm gonna straighten those out. Alright, so I did my edges, I tied them down, I put a little water and leave-in conditioner in my hair, and it is so pretty, y'all. This is such a beautiful style. This is my first time trying something like this, and I like it. Yes, period, girl. It's some really good hair. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll catch y'all in the next video like this. See you later. Bye.
I got too many hoes. I can't hang you. You like to put that shit in your nose.